This is the zipper tape kit. I've already created the front and inside pockets for the jacket with these. And so I'm going to show you how, at least how I do it. Don't worry, my fingers are going to be camera shy. So this is how I'm going to do it. Zoom you out a little bit so you can see. Okay. Oh, I like to keep a lighter on hand. This, which has like a pair of nippers in here and like a plier head. You can also use separate tools that actually is like a wire cutter and this separately. There are pliers that are like that. This is just an all-one tool out of an IKEA furniture building kit. So for the first zipper, for like for the pockets at least, I'm gonna grab 2 of them. And we want them just shorter than what we said we wanted them. So these are 20-inch wide pockets. So we're gonna need 2 of these zipper pulls. And then we're going to need 4 of these little grabber things. Once you squeeze them down with this, you'll be able to grab on to the zipper teeth on the back of this. So that way the zipper can stay in place and not slide all the way off. There's another way to do it with these. They're really tiny, but you'll see them at the bottom of or at the top of the zipper pull if you want it to have like partially separating, so one end is closed off with this side of the zipper, and then you'll have 2 on either side depending on which is your preferred. And these will keep the zipper from sliding off on either side of your zipper. So we're going to need just 4 of these though. These I'm waiting for another time to use them. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now I'm going to be doing this more than just twice. This is just for the main pocket, 2 giant pockets, which are again at 15-inch tall. So for now, I'm just going to take this lighter and make some zippers. Oops. Now, reason why I burned them is to just keep it from fraying. I've learned while making other zippers for the black version of this jacket is that you want to seal off somehow the ends. If your zipper fabric is different from nylon, you might want to just like either bind or serge or sew off this edge, but if it's nylon, it will melt off with the fire. Just be very careful. Don't burn yourself, please. And make sure you watch and monitor your flame at all times. I have a dog, so if you have kids or a dog, be mindful. So what I do is I flip the zipper tape upside down. I like to go somewhere between 2 and 3 inches, separating it out. You can use a fork. I do have one. If you're going to use the fork method, you can either tape it down to hold it steady, but what you're going to do is you're going to slide your zipper pull between the tongs of the fork and have it sit somewhere like this. Don't make sure the actual the pull of the zipper pull isn't, oh, wrong side of tongs. Oops. There we go. Isn't inside the actual zipper pull itself, just like sitting somewhere neatly like this. Here we go. So if your hands are a little more frustrating, you would then sit it down have the tape upside down, because this would be the back. Just lightly set your zipper where it just gets slightly stuck, and then you can push, or rather pull, the zipper pull down. I have learned that I hate this method. I don't know why this method doesn't work for me, but if your hands are a little more less likely to allow the zipper tape to fall out, unlike yours truly, or do I have it the other way? Here we go. Put it in the other way. There we go. Okay. If you're kind of like me and are more frustrated with this method than others, then you might not like this method, but this is definitely easier on your hands if you're able to make this method work. I have not been able to make this method work. It's like, it works. It's just, I fuddle with it a whole lot more. I'm sure they have like zipper jigs you can use. But if you are like, I don't want to spend more money on just like zipper pulls. Okay, now that we have this in, we're going to push the zipper tape through the zipper pull. I have not had luck with that, so I'm just gonna set this here, set this here, set this here. Let's see. Okay. And then, so now that it's just kind of sitting on top of the tape, then I just gently push the zipper down onto the tape, a little bit at a time. It's going through. See, what you should be looking for is, you can get a close-up look, you should be seeing, my cuticles are horrifying, that the zipper is connected and pushing through inside the actual piece. And that's how you know you've succeeded. It's just now a matter of just like pushing the zipper tape through. Or straight up pulling it. There we go. There it is. And it's in. Now what I like to do is, because I know myself very well, I want to go on ahead and close this off. The reason why I say I know myself very well, because I would be the one to pull this zipper pull that I just installed out by accident. And you stick your metal plate in. The metal is thin enough that a set of pliers, which I'm grabbing here, can be used to push these tongs down. So I'm going to very gently, like, push them in. It's a little easier with actual pliers, but like this does fine. See how like it's bent down? You're gonna do that to the other side. Now you can get the zipper tape, this 10-yard zipper tape from like Amazon. This is specifically a number 5 zipper tape, nylon, and zipper kit. I'm going to make some separating zippers from the same zipper tape, but it's probably going to be, what are you doing, Mama? It's probably going to be different if you decide to do like a number 3 or number 10. But I'm going to make these into separating zipper tapes for the jacket portion and for the separating bag portion. So after I make all these zippers, I'll get back to you.